Eva Naturals Skin Clearing Serum. This product was raved about on Amazon for a long time, so I finally was like, I'm going to try it out. I'm almost done with the whole bottle, so I feel like I'm in a good position to leave a review on this. This is formulated with a bunch of products, 20% vitamin C, 2% salicylic acid, I probably butchered that, 5% hyaluronic acid, 3.5% niacinamide, 2% retinol, and 10% MSM. So as you can tell, there are tons of ingredients in here that are really working to help your skin. From the first time I tried this, I knew that I loved this product. In fact, I would go as far as to say this is one of my favorite serums of all time. It is just an instantaneous feeling when you rub this into your skin. You are instantly going to feel it working. And I really love when that happens for me. My skin feels firmer, but also smooth. There's just so many products that work here, and it is kind of hard to put my finger on. This is a serum that is going to work really well to just help your skin look better. It is formulated with a ton of organic ingredients, and I honestly cannot recommend this enough. So if you're looking for new serum, the reviews are in. This is the one to check out.